Hi everyone, I hope everything is well. So in this video, in this short video, I'm going to discuss with you how to get website traffic from Facebook for free. Yeah, for free. That sounds good? Free. You're not paying anything to anyone, not even me. Okay? So how I learned this method? I have been through different workshops, webinars, and I have attended a lot of workshops, seminars. So I frequently update my knowledge on digital marketing. I'm sharing this one of my secrets for free because a lot of people are doing things wrong, and some people are misguided by others that they were going to do digital marketing, social media marketing, and other things. They are charging hefty money like 40,000, 60,000 per month. So I'm sharing this secret for free so that you can be benefited. Okay, now what's the first step? Create a Facebook account. I know a lot of you have Facebook account. I don't have to teach this, so just check out facebook.com. So if you don't have account, just go there and create a new account. Okay, so let's say I am having an account. Oops. Okay, now first step is over. I have created a Facebook account. What is the second step? Create a Facebook page of your business. Ensure you put your website URL in the Facebook page. So how to create it? Click on pages. See here, see I have already created all these pages. Okay, that's why it's coming all these things. You just click on create new page. Okay, now fill all the details. What is the name of your business? For example, Hinahodi Clinic. If not HWeb company, it's not Hoysa Candy Box. So all those things details you put it down. Okay. Put the page name. Otherwise, see some multi-clinic and select the category. There are plenty of businesses you are having. So find out the right category. For example, if you are a clinic, then you put clinic. If you have education institution, put training institution. If not, name of education and all those things you can put. Okay, so like this, fill complete details, and in this you just ensure in contact. See, this is a bio description you need to put. So there are plenty of things. Let's say women's health clinic. Put the description and hit on create page. Okay. Now here click on this add profile picture, add any picture. Okay, add cover page. See, this one is cover page and this is the profile picture. Okay, so you can put your phone number, email and website. So what, and fill all the details like this. Okay, so remember, you should not forget to put the name of your website here. Okay, you put the name of your website. So second step is over. You created a Facebook page of your business and you have put a website URL, okay, in the Facebook page. Now step 3, become a member of Facebook groups. For example, if you are a psychiatrist, become member of Facebook groups like mental disorder, mental health, schizophrenia and all those things. Now you need to ask me a question, how to find the group, right? So just here type, see, mental health. So you have so many groups. See, like this, all the groups will come. Just click on join group. Okay, simply click on join group, and the page will open where you need to fill certain, you need to answer certain questions. Okay, so third step is over. You joined different Facebook groups based on your niche and based on your category. Now step 4, write a Facebook post about your expertise at least twice in a week. Okay, now here just type something. For example, psychiatric help, schizophrenia, how to overcome, how to help people with schizophrenia. This is a beautiful topic. If you are a psychiatrist, you are having a page where you have a name of the clinic, just type it, how to help people with schizophrenia. So just write all the things, add some pictures pertaining to schizophrenia and all, and just after you finish writing everything, doing everything, just check it once again whether the picture is whether the picture or whether the image you have added is compatible with the post. Think everything and click on post. Okay, so so for example, me, I am having a academy where we teach chess, right? So what I do, I what is the benefits of playing chess? Okay, playing chess improves IQ, memory, it makes the brain use all its abilities. Playing chess helps people develop patience and will power. Okay, so like this I can type anything. Okay, and then you should add a picture. Add a picture. Some picture I added. So I will hit post. Okay, so where is the post? See, this is a thing I have recent, just now only I created this post. So from there just go and share. So see, write a Facebook post about your expertise at least twice in a week. I just showed you a sample post. You can write a detailed post of around 500 or 800 words along with the image. You should put the post. So this is, so I created a post. Step 4 is over. Now step 5. Share the posts in Facebook groups, Facebook stories. You can also share posts to public. Okay, that is step 5. So share now, share to public. Okay, see, share to your profile. Done. So next, you can also share a news feed. Okay. So you can also share to your story. Okay. Now share to all the different groups you have joined. See here, chess videos, chess training and videos. So like that, in those groups you should share it. Remember, if you are a doctor, a psychiatrist, you should share your post to only those people, those groups where you need to talk about mental health, psychiatry, mental disorder, schizophrenia, and all those such things. Okay. Now you can also share this in the page. So you remember I taught you how to create the business page. So I'm sharing this to one of the business pages I'm having. So HLeaf Academy, I shared it. Okay. So remember to create a post, a general post, a post which is not available anywhere. See, simply copying and writing from one website page, some other website page to your Facebook page is of no use, because you need to have a original content. You can go through the books, you can go through the different websites, get inspired by them and create an original post. If you are copying from some other website or book, it doesn't help. The Google will not allow you to rank. Thanks for watching the video. For any queries, you can contact me. Thank you.